Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning viewers. I welcome you all for the daily predictions. We will be listening to the daily predictions for the day to all the zodiac signs, right from Aries to Pisces. I wish you all a good luck for the day. Keep this channel subscribed so that you will get all my updates instantly. Share it with your friends and groups. 27th December 2020, and today's star is Kritika, the star of Sun. For Aries, you can see the conjunction in the second house, and the fourth house lord is at the second house, and also the sun, which is responsible for the today's star, is at the ninth house. So it's better for them. Those who are working in the father's business, they will find some good results today. They can enjoy their time. Those who are working in a company, there are chances they will get some good time today. Those who are looking for job opportunities, there are chances they will find a good placements today. For Taurus, their hard work will yield some good results. And as a fourth house lord is there at the eighth house, so there may be some troubles with the mother and mother's side, and they may find issues in the fixed assets and other investments. For Gemini, there is a good time today. So those who are doing business, they will find some good revenue, and out of their hard work they can achieve some good results today. Also those who are working in a company, they will find some good time today. There are pleasant opportunities for them. For Cancer, it is very much profitable for them. Whether it is work or it is a business, they can find some good income over today, as the second house lord is there. Even though at the 6th house, the lord of the Cancer is at the 11th house, so they can find some good profit. For Leo, they will find both positive and negative results today. Even though in the workplace, they will shine better, and business, they may find some troubles. There may be issues with their partners. For Virgo, it is better when compared to the previous days. So those who are doing the job out of the communication skill, they will find some good results. Those who are looking for their own properties, there are chances they can find some suitable place today. For Libra, business seems to be better today, and again those who are doing communication as a base, and especially in the field of astrology as well as the spiritual speeches, they will find some positive results today. For Scorpio, those who are working in a company, they will find a better time today. There are chances they will even some may get some increments or some promotions or some good appreciations today. Those who are in the business, they should be careful with the business partners. It will be very average. For Sagittarius, there will be mixed time. They will find both positive and negative results today. Who are married, they have some good time, and those who are looking for marriage alliances, they will find some good prospects for the day. Capricorn. For Capricorn, to an extent it is profitable for the day, but at the same time they will find some issues in the family. There will be some conflicts between the life partners. Also they will find some issues with the business partners too. Aquarius again, this day seems to be more of expense based. So whatever the income they get, they will again they'll spend a lot, either for the children or for their self improvements. Those who are looking for job opportunities, there are chances out of their hard work they can get associated with a good job. Those who are doing business, there are chances some of the projects may turn out to be positive. Pisces, again they should be careful today in the areas of communications. Those who are in the communication field and associated with the government related jobs, they will find some suitable placements today. They will find some better things working for them. Those who are doing business, it will be profitable for them. And those who are looking for marriage alliances, they will try to grasp some good opportunities today. For those the children might not study well, they should be careful in their education and growth.